Okay, so I think this is going to be my last recording. I keep screwing up on each fourth video, and I am really sorry about that. So what happened? I found diamond, there's a huge lava cave down there, and I found another cave down there. And now I'm going back up to get my torches, because god damn it, this is annoying. I keep failing on the fourth video, and I keep having to redo all of this entering and all that bull. So just want to get this video right and not screw it all up. Okay. So my house is still the same. I did not change anything there. But yeah. So I'll take that and that just in case, and that. No. So I'll take that and that. I don't need the gravel. I need the cobblestone. I don't need the redstone. Take that. And I think that's good. I'll also take this just in case. And I came here for torches. Where are the torches? Here are the torches. Okay, let's go. Go mining. Mining. Let's go mining. Mining! Because god damn it, I really want to get this video right. I swear to god. And I swear to god, I did get all of the diamonds legitimately. If you don't believe me, too bad for you. But I promise, I really did get all of these diamonds legitimately. Aw, crap, it's a water cave. This sucks. Oh, damn it. I think I'm gonna go block. Oh, sweet! Gold. The first thing, block that. Yes, I blocked it. Okay, sweet mother gold. That was epic. I just got gold. It's been awesome. If anyone's German, please correct me if I got that completely wrong. Oh, no, not if anyone's German. If anyone watching this video is German, please correct me if that was wrong. Yes! Yes, more diamond! Woohoo! Woohoo! Who the hell cares if it was only that much? I got my diamond. Sweet. That was epic. Oh crap, it becomes a big cave. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. I really don't want to get lost, so I'll just collect my stuff. I'll come back. Sure, I'll come back because this cave is epic. And I found more diamond. Hopefully, okay, wait. Might be something here. No, nothing. Oh, more gold. Yes, I am collecting that. Oh, no, wait. Oh, god damn it, stupid lava. Okay. Yes, more gold. No. Oh, phew. Damn, that was close. Thought I lost my diamond. Dude. Aw, damn. Ah! Oh my god, Lapis Lazuli. Is that truly the Lapis Lazuli? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is the Lapis Lazuli. Woohoo! 41 Lapis Lazuli. And this is the best mining cave in the world. Hope I can find my way out. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, yeah, it was this way. This is awesome. I am so coming back down here. I think this is the right way. Check. Nope, it was back up here. I didn't go that way. So, I think well, there are torches, so that means I've been here before. Hopefully I'm not lost, and wait, I think I'm a bit lost. I remember being here, so I went down. My steps were somewhere here, made out of cobblestone. There are my steps. There. Oh, crap. There. Boom. So I found Lapis Lazuli, gold, and diamond. And iron. That's not as good as those three. This is the best mining expedition ever. Okay guys, my video is getting pretty long, so I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, bye.